Hello my friends, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. This time, I have a very interesting topic to share to you. This is all about the composting and planting of ubi yam made so easy. So, please watch! Before I continue, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, please subscribe for those who did not subscribe yet, and please like, share, especially for those who do not know or still new to gardening, so that they will also have an idea on how to compost or how to do the composting of organic materials in a very easy way and planting of ubi in a very easy way. So, this is what the OB yam needs, and other yams also: a soil that is rich in organic materials and loose. So surely if we plant this, as per experience, if we plant the OB in this type of soil combination, they will produce big tubers. After 45 days of decomposting, this is how our organic materials look like. So this is already very ready for or to be planted with OB yam. How did these slices of ubi produce roots like this? It is because I put them in this corner where there is no sunlight and cool all day long, and I spray water every morning for 1 month and a half. We are now going to plant our ubi or slices of ubi with roots already. So what are we going to do is we will only put on top of this decayed materials, just like that. Okay, then another sack. So, come on. This this one. This has longer vine already. So just on top, because eventually the tuber, when it grows, will just go down the soil, and we will just cover once in a while the top soil, so that the tuber that are shown or on top of the soil will be covered and will produce or will grow bigger. Cover this with small amount of humus material. We don't need to water them because the soil now is a little bit wet, and now is rainy season in our place here. I will update you when we harvest this in January or in February 2023, because usually we harvest yam during the dry season. So this months that I mentioned are already dry season here in our country, Philippines, and not so much rain, so that the yam will taste good and the quality of the tuber is also good. I will show you now the evidence how the OB yam tuber reacted on my type of mixing of organic materials in a sack. So this one, I'll try to pull. I put this here for 21 days. So let's see. Okay. Oh wow, so that's the evidence how it reacted so positively to my organic combination, which I only made it decay for 45 days. Okay, so we will put this back slowly. We will cover this again with small amount of humus soil, I mean. Okay. Before this of ubi tuber grew like this, I just put this one plain like this, as if there's no sign on where to sprout its new leaves. But because of this, maybe of the combination of my organic materials, so in a matter of 21 days, it developed a sprout like this, very healthy. I placed in between of the sacks where I planted the OB with this branch, so that their vines, because OB OB produces or grows with a vine, that they need something to cling and to climb. So with this, they will climb and cling in this branch, going to the top of the mango tree where I put them. It's okay that I let them grow here under this mango tree, because mangoes or mango roots are not invasive, not like other plants or trees. So it is very important that the place where we are going to put our yam has no growing trees that has invading roots, because if the roots will invade the sacks or the container that we are planting the yam, so the nutrients will be consumed by the roots and eventually by the whole tree, and our yam will not grow good, and it could be a failure. We must also remember that the soil that we are going to use in planting our yam is not contaminated, because if we plant yam like this of ubi in a contaminated soil, then if we eat the tuber when we harvest, there's a possibility that we may be poisoned because of the type of the soil that we used was contaminated. So be careful in choosing the soil in planting yams or other tubers. That's all for now, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you learned something, and see you on my next video. Take care and God bless, and bye bye.
Ini jawab may ano, wala ko ni sila